Starting at the front of the car, just a video of the condition of the underbody. So the first area is the wing support. This tube here, the wires run through to the headlight. It's self-tapered on. It's been plated and welded in the past. Where it runs up to the base of the light, it's not attached because it's got a later wing. And the back of the light box for the indicator unit's a bit lashed up, is the word. It's been a plate made up for it. The front bumper bracket as well doesn't look too secure, and it's missing one of the bolts. A bit hard to see up there, and there's a little bit of rust showing. And there's something also going on around the front of the car, but I can't quite get onto that. Whilst we're at the front, suspension bushes are warm, and same on the rear part of the arm. Suspension bushes are worn, anti-roll bar bushes are worn, and the suspension's just a bit dirty and tired. Move that. Whilst we're here, I could also point out the front has had a tank support panel. It's a common panel to replace on these. It's joined through here, but the welding's a little bit iffy. We go down the side of the car. Swap around. So this corner here has been replaced quite poorly. You can see where a patch has been put in. There's a hole here that's been sealed up with sealer. It should be a nice crisp edge and a nice rounded panel through there. The end of the outer sill's been replaced along with the inner sill, and that's not been welded properly, and there's a couple of big holes there. And this whole section through here has got poor welding, rust holes and rivets. As you can see, this is rusting through here. We've got riveted on panels and not the strongest welding on this outer sill. That runs right the way through the length of the car. The rearmost jacking point's not welded on properly. Again, there's rust holes, poor welding. It's missing its kidney bowl, so there's a large reinforcing panel that bolts in here, or is welded in here. That's missing, and as you can see, it's got poor welding. Very weak metal here, and then as you run up the back of the door lock post again, it's had poor welding. That bracket at that piece of metal at the top shouldn't be there, and it's all a little bit weakened through there. And the end of the sill, because the kidney bowl is missing, the end of the sill is all in a bit of a mess there as well. We'll flip round to the other side. Similar thing, though not as bad. Again, it's been welded up through here, badly plated. Where the air conditioning's run through, it runs through the end of the sill. Again, there should be a reinforcing panel in here, which is missing. And also, it's badly plated up the top, right by the seatbelt mount, which is a little bit concerning. Can you see that? It's a bit. I could lower it down a bit actually.
I think it's just the angle of the dangle.
It's up in here. Okay. Badly plated in there, and again on the back of the door, pillar post and lock post, it's been patched and plated. Down through the sills, it's the same as the other side. Essentially, we've got rust, rivets, not welded properly on the sills. Same through here, it's been hidden a bit with stone chip, but it's a bit weak through the sills. And again on the front end, you can see that it's all a bit unfinished. Where the air conditioning pipes run through, they've just cut a big hole and left it at that, which is in through here. So it's a bit of a mess in through there. And the similar situation on the front, again, it's been repaired round here. There's holes, it's weak. Same again with the light unit and the wire piping and the bumper bracket. it's all a bit weak again through there. So this, yes, it's close to the suspension mount. We can repair that, but my main concern is the strength through the side of the car. That's where it's had a lot of work in the past, and it's not been done to a great standard, and it's quite weak through there.